Hello friends, today I am discussing the topic of Facebook mining. So what is Facebook? Facebook is the largest networking site in the world used widely by all the age groups and for multiple causes with 2.5 billion monthly active users in last quarter of 2019. The users have 1 million messages per day sent by every person, 3.2 billion likes and comments per day. The average spending time 6 hours and 35 minutes per user per month. What is meant by Facebook mining? The Facebook social graph API stands for Application Programming Interface, and how to make API request. The Open Graph Protocol and its relationship to Facebook's social graph. Facebook mining used to analyzing the social graph connections. So what is meant by Facebook's social graph APIs? It consists of some nodes, it consists of some edges, and it consists of some fields. The nodes consist of users, photo, pages and comments. Edges consist of the connections between those things. It includes likes, pages photos or photos comments. And next field is fields. It consists of the information about those things, including likes, birthday of users or name of pages. The Graph API is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol base, which works with any language that has HTTP library like CURL. CURL used for the computer software project, providing a library and command line tool for transferring the data using various network protocols, and it includes the URL library. The Exploring the Facebook Social Graph API consists of the Facebook platform is a mature, robust and well documented gateway. Access a Facebook user's account data is by requesting an application and using that application as the entry point into the Facebook developer platform. However, the only data that's available to an application is whatever the user has implicitly authorized it to access. The Facebook provides a number of useful developer tools, including a Graph API, Explorer app that we will be using for initial familiarization with the social graph. Understanding the social graph, it consists of the massive graph data structure representing the interaction between number of links and number of nodes. Each and every node connected with the help of links. It consists of nodes and connection between the nodes. When we have a particular authorized or authentication token, we have to passing that associated with a specific set of authorization for an application that you are developing and you want to run some queries as a part of exploratory development effort or debug cycle. The understanding the Open Graph Protocol. What is mean? What is that Open Graph Protocol? A mechanism that enables developers to make any web page an object in Facebook social graph by injecting some RDF metadata into a pages. It enables any web page to become a rich object in social graph. All Facebook's Open Graph meta tags. There are some tags available in the Facebook prefix with OG. OG stands for Open Graph Tag Sharing. There are some like and comments. The meta tags directs Facebook to use specified image when page is shared. The global structure of network consists of vertex and sub edges. Vim is a number of finite set of vertex and E with a set of number of edges. In this graph, there are a number of vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, and this graph represents number of the number of incoming, number of outgoing edges. V1 to V1 0, V1 to V2 1, V1 to V2 1, V1 to V4 0, V2 to V1 1. This type of graph, it represents the relationship between number of vertices and number of edges. It is totally depends upon the number of outgoing ages. The Facebook consists of some advantages and some disadvantages. It consists of some advantages like the message and audio calling, customer service and feedback, targeted advertising, easy to use, video call, group calls. It consists of some advantages like the information sharing and live tracking. The Facebook has some disadvantages, fake profiles, more uses effect on body and mental health, wrong information and news, and negative feedbacks. This is all about the Facebook mining. Thank you.